Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Welcome back to my channel. This 48 volt battery charger not turning on, no output voltage. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are live voltage. Always take care for the safety. I will apply power using series lamp and we will monitor the lamp condition. There is no indication on the lamp. Check AC voltage 231 volt, no light. DC voltage, no voltage. The first step, verify voltage on this capacitor. No voltage. Check fuse, that is here. Fuse open circuit. Just for testing, I will jumper this fuse with 1 ampere fuse wire. You can use any thin wire. Check input resistance, 49 ohms. That's wrong. After fuse, there is no EMI circuit, no resistor, no MOV. Check its bridge rectifier. This diode short circuit. Bridge rectifier, all diodes short circuit. This diode is good. This diode short circuit. This diode short circuit. This diode short circuit. Short circuit. Short circuit. Short circuit. This diode good. Short circuit, short circuit, short circuit. Its part number is RL207. Yes, I have same number diodes here. Yes, RL207. I will use these diodes. Yes, RL207. Oh, this resistor is also damaged. This resistor orange, silver, gold. 3 and multiplier, so 0.33 ohms, 5%. It's open. I have this zero point 0.3 ohms, slightly less than the original one, but I will use for test purpose. Always try to use the original value components. Although this resistor will work, but it can make problem in overcurrent condition because it will drop less voltage with compared to the original one. This MOSFET is also damaged. N60. This diode damaged. This resistor good. If these components are damaged, diode damaged, most probably this IC is also gone. Original MOSFET 5N60, I will use 30A65, K30A65. Now I will apply power and we will check voltage on VCC capacitor on these 2 points. $324 this capacitor 0 volt. That means this IC is damaged. From here, these are startup resistors and this voltage must reach here. Let's check it now. I installed UC3842 IC. This diode here 1N4148 G. This light has now turned on. We have 56 volt output. Check voltage on this capacitor, 14.2 volt VCC capacitor. Now I need 0.33 ohm resistor, 5 and 60 MOSFET, and I used 3842 IC. It is working, so no need to use new one, and I need fuse. So this charger is now started working. This time I don't have batteries. When we will connect batteries, it will work normally. But first I need to install this resistor. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.